today I'm here with Unice here once more. It's the same packaging as before. The packaging is very secure because they have this Velcro on the box. So when I open the package, you know, it's very professional as usual. You have this Unice here. It says cannot be defined. And then I'm seeing the wig, which they wrapped with some branded tissue paper. Alright, so before we get into the wig, let's see what else we got. Inside the goodie bag, I have one of the best set of wig caps. Love these. They're super easy to work with, very sheer and very blendable, you know, easy to melt down. And then I have some lashes looking really good. Also, I have this Unice elastic band. And finally, I have a brush. It came in the bag today. Alright, so I have more goodies in the bag. In the box, rather. Whoa, they sent me this bedazzled pen. What? Let me test it out. So this is, you know, classic black ink pen. I'm keeping this pen. This pen is too cute. It's branded Unice too. Like, can you see it? Oh my god, this is so nice. Yes, Unice. I live for goodies like this. Came into this cute little bag too. I thought it was like a fragrance because that's, you know, some sample fragrances, they package them like that. Super cute. I have this bedazzled clip that says Unice. I have one more set of wig cap, and this is the, you know, the first time one, the one that, you know, started it all. And then lastly in today's package, I got this drawstring bag, perfect to store your wig after you wear or you cleanse or whatever you wish to use it for. So for this wig that we're working with today, this is the Unice Glueless Dark Brown Hair Color Layered Cut Bang Wig. Okay, this is really cute. Like, it's 18 inches as well. It's super silky, like super silky and super soft. I love that. And look at that bang, really nice and full, and the hair is very flowy. I love the movement. Absolutely no lace, but very trendy. So like, you don't want to do any lace, but you still want to look cute, you still want to look current. This looks super good, and the layers are to die for. It's so pretty, guys, so pretty. It's a very nice full wig, and I just love the way they did the layers on it, you know. I didn't get a chance to show you on the inside of the cap, but this is how it looks. It has a extra adjustable strap in there if you need more security. As I said, no lace. Alright, but this is how it looks. It would almost mimic a lace closure with how they set up the construction here, but it's not a lace closure wig, okay? It's a non-lace bang wig. And for the most part, you know, it's a standard construction. This doesn't have any combs in there, so I feel like this elastic band will play a very important role with having more security. And there are adjustable straps in the back as well, so you can go ahead and make those as tight or loose as you want. And I'm gonna bring mine up pretty close, so you know it's very fitted on my head, just so you know that you don't have any slipping or anything. And you could go ahead and adjust, you know, the elastic as well to make it as snugged as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into just slipping this on to my head. That is just like super snugged. Like it's very much like really nice and snugged on my head. I'm just adjusting it. Like, this is not going anywhere. It's so snugged. So I love when my bang have, like, you know, a nice little messy fringed vibe. It's so flowy. So flowy. Like, move back. Move all the way back for you guys. So this is where it catches me. And as you can see, this is a straight texture. super layered. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run through the entire wig with my flat iron, so you know everything can be going more in one direction and like really laid. It is so snug, guys. Like, it not slip go nowhere, and you don't have to deal with the discomfort of combs, because I know some people really and truly cannot deal with combs in their wigs. A lot of times people will be like, you know, they cut them out and stuff. Sometimes it make them have headaches and stuff, you know, and I totally understand. You know, this has absolutely none of that, so that's a plus. So I'm just gonna take my time and get this really nice and bone straight.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
Guys, this is like butter, and I love the way they cut the bang. I mean, even though it's full, like, I mean, you can play around with it and mold it to exactly how you want it to be. I love a good, like, you know, like fringy bang, a bang that I can really, like, you know, tailor to my liking and stuff. This looks so good, and the layers are just like too nice. It just really, the layers, it really helps to like frame your face, and it gives the perfect like 90s feel. And what I do when I straighten it, like especially with the areas that are like layered, I do like a little slight bump. Don't curve it on there too much now. You don't want to be looking like, yeah, you know, ancient, but you know, turn the iron just enough to have like a nice little slight bend. You see that? Yes. Ooh, this is it. And the wig sit down on my head. Like, it's giving Ciara when she first came out. That's what it's giving. Huh. I don't know. Barely any flowers. Barely any flowers. Unice did their thing with this wig, and it's very affordable. It's very affordable. I'll be sure to put the link of this as usual down below in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out, and you know, if you're interested in purchasing it, all that good stuff, it will be down there. But what I can say is I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig because it is super beginner friendly, super easy to go ahead and put on your own. There's nothing to it. It's literally like you putting on a hat. So you really don't need a help for this. You don't have to worry about the edges, no nothing. And it's great quality. You look at it, you can tell this is great, like human hair. You know? It's great human hair. This is no form of plastic, you know. You look very nice and luxurious, and I'll dress this up with the right fit, because I'm that type of girl. I feel like, you know, you have a certain type of fit to go with a certain type of hairstyle. I don't feel like I'm just the type that I won't wear one hairstyle with everything, or you know, you get with me, right? So yeah, but like you could definitely style this up in so many different ways. You could go ahead and add some curls to this if you like some waves, not curls, but like some nice loose body waves. That would be really nice. But I love this so much. Yeah, that's it. that is it for today's wig look. You know, I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe, and don't forget to go ahead and follow me on my vlog channel. You know, that's where the vibes is at. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself. Shout out to Unice once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video.